TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and oh boy, what do you hear? Because we're gonna I'm bad. I'm mad at it. Okay. So, it's my mom doing homework, but we're almost gonna have a face reveal and 100 million likes and subscribers. Face reveal about my mom. This is my Sonic. It's my Sonic to destroy him, to cut his head off like from Among Us. I cracked his head. So we're kind of talking about. So I'm gonna talk about like this. This is my first story about hearing. Let me break the toy. This is the toy that was making a sound in my room. Oops. So that toy was like making dun dun. So the yellow button was making dun dun. So get this garbage out of here. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this in the trash because it's garbage. So I think that's all for today. So okay, that's it.